Hi everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we're diving into a common issue that might pop up in your car's engine diagnostic trouble code P0390. This code refers to a problem with the B camshaft position sensor circuit on bank 2. But don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means, what could cause it, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. So, what does the P0390 code mean? It's triggered when the engine control module, or ECM, detects a problem with the signal from the camshaft position sensor for bank 2. This sensor helps the ECM regulate engine timing, and when it fails, your car might misfire, hesitate, or even refuse to start. Check engine light is on. Rough idling or engine misfiring ... Reduced fuel efficiency. Difficulty starting the engine or stalling. Faulty camshaft position sensor. Damaged wiring or connectors in the sensor circuit. Issues with the engine control module ECM. Timing issues caused by a worn timing chain or belt. The crankshaft is most often located on the front, underside of the engine. It can usually be found mounted to the timing cover. First, carefully remove the crankshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed a resistance test on the crankshaft position sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific crankshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you don't get a reading, this indicates that the crankshaft position sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Check to make sure the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its hole. Then replace it with a new crankshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor is located in the valve cover near the top of the engine, or they can be located at the front or rear of the cylinder head. First, carefully remove the camshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed a test on the camshaft position sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific camshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the camshaft position sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Check to make sure the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its hole. Then replace it with a new camshaft position sensor. Finally, use your OBD-II scanner to clear the code. Start the engine and take it for a test drive. If the code doesn't return, congratulations, you've fixed it. And there you have it. Fixing a P0390 code isn't as intimidating as it might seem. With the right tools and a little patience, you can get your car running smoothly again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY automotive guides. See you next time.